That's what I was saying. I wanted to check and make sure it worked.
Oh. Okay. Sorry.
It's okay. Wow, this place really was here for a long time.
Mm-hmm.
This is old school.
Yep. You even got the old escalators.
I figure the top floor is still viable. They'll probably turn it into storage eventually.
Mm. That's where the trains used to go, I think.
I think so.
That's so cool. And that's our locker. Yep. All right.
This thing's basically an indoor football field.
Yep.
Yeah, anytime somebody hands me a fob like this, I don't like to just assume that it works. I like to make sure it works.
I understand.
But when we go out, you'll see what I was talking about if you didn't see it a minute ago.
I didn't know he handed one of those to you, that's why.
That's fine. I thought you had heard me say I wanted to check it.
You have to go right up to it, dear. Do not allow others to tailgate out. Gate must be fully open before leaving.
See how it's got the actual counterweight on it?
Yeah, that's interesting, eh?
That's not something you see very often anymore.
I love it.
That's why that door has survived being hit. That's an industrial door. All right, that's one more thing taken